Hey bonjour! So today I will analyze my video on Instagram and TikTok about how to order in a bakery. And I will give you the phrases you need to visit France, the vocabulary to feel the most comfortable. Et c'est parti!
How to order in a bakery in France.
So, how to order in a bakery, we say comment commander dans une boulangerie. Voilà, comment is how, ok? And order is commander, voilà. Commander au restaurant. Order in a restaurant, par exemple. And yeah, boulangerie, it's just a bakery, a boulangerie, voilà. Ok, donc here, yeah, you enter, donc tu entres, voilà, you enter, tu entres dans la boulangerie, in the bakery. Okay, so here we can hear a woman saying c'est votre prochain voyage ou like is it your next trip or voilà, she's saying this. Le voyage for trip for travel. Ok, bon. You wait in French is tu attends. Attendre is to wait. Voilà. J'attends, I wait, tu attends, you wait. And I think yeah, here someone is laughing. Voilà, en croissant, voilà. It's just funny, croissant baguette. We love that. Voilà.
Bonjour. Je vais prendre un pain au chocolat s'il vous plaît.
So, in France, we always say bonjour. If you go in a bakery, if you go in a shopping mall to ask something to at someone, you always start with bonjour or excusez-moi, blah blah. But like a polite like word, at least like to greet. Voilà, c'est très important, really important.
Je vais prendre un pain au chocolat s'il vous plaît.
Ok, here I said je vais prendre un pain au chocolat, s'il vous plaît. So, je vais is come from the verb aller, to go, okay? And it's irregular. So you will have to say je vais, I go, tu vas, you go. And we use it like for the future. For example, je vais prendre is literally I'm going to take, you see? So, je vais prendre une baguette. I'm going to take a baguette. Je vais prendre un croissant. I will take a croissant. Voilà, you see? So, very, very useful.
Je vais prendre un pain au chocolat s'il vous plaît.
And yeah, of course, pain au chocolat, this is what you call maybe in your country, chocolate croissant. So, we call it un pain au chocolat. It's like chocolate bread. There's a big debate in France with pain au chocolat, okay? And I think, yeah, in the southwest, they call it chocolatine. So, well, this is just different word. If you visit the southwest, you would say chocolatine. If you visit le reste de la France, the rest of France, you will say un pain au chocolat.
Un croissant, une baguette et un chocolat chaud.
So, un croissant, you know, une baguette, here, that's feminine, une baguette. And I said here, un chocolat chaud. Chocolat chaud is like a hot chocolate, voilà, with a cup, like not a coffee, but from chocolate, voilà.
Une baguette et un chocolat chaud aussi. À emporter.
Okay, so here, very important, she's saying, c'est sur place ou à emporter. Sur place is like on place, it means like you eat in the restaurant here, voilà, it's for here. And emporter, the first meaning actually it means like to bring out, to take out with you. So yeah, here this is the price, 1,20 €, voilà. Yeah, for the price we say 1,20 €, you would say 1,20 €. That's really important in that right order, voilà.
Je vais payer par carte.
Alors, here I said, je vais payer par carte. I saw in the comment, you all said, oh là là, this is really fast, you didn't even pronounce je vais properly. I do actually. In France, we actually like, we say manger les mots, to eat the word, like to eat the syllables. And instead of saying je vais, what I taught you like 5 minutes ago, here we say je vais, je vais. You see like apostrophe, J apostrophe and V. Je vais, I'm gonna.
You see, isn't that hard?
So here, voilà, I'm joking with you, of course. Isn't that hard? Yeah, but for French people, of course, this is just like, we say un jeu d'enfant, like a child play, voilà. It's very, yeah, I mean, c'est facile. For us, it's facile. Mais pour vous, for you, yeah, you will have like to gain confidence, you see. So that's why here I'm gonna to give you some phrases. You all told me in the comment, why are you not saying je voudrais or j'aimerais, I would like. You can say it. I mean, it's free, just like other variation you can use. So you can say je vais prendre, I'm going to have, I will have, j'aimerais, je voudrais, je pourrais avoir, could I get that? We use the for actually. So now we will make a situation. For example, tu entres, okay, you enter, you look at the baker eyes and you say bonjour, okay, bonjour. C'est très important, really important. Then you can say je vais prendre un croissant, je vais prendre un pain au chocolat. Voilà. She's or he's going to take voilà, the viennoiserie, we call it, like the pain au chocolat and croissant. And then she will say, or he will say, ça fera, let's say, 5 euros. It will be 5 euros. I just took a random number, okay? Ça fera is like it will do, okay? We say, ça fait 5 euros. Or you can, they can say, ça coûte 5 euros. It costs. Voilà. And after, you can say, ok, je vais payer par carte. I will pay by card. Ok, je vais payer en espèces. I will pay by cash. You see? And when the baker is giving you le croissant and pain au chocolat, you look in the eyes again and you say merci, au revoir. Et ça, c'est très naturel, very natural interaction. Voilà. So if you liked the video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and I will see you une autre fois. À la prochaine. See you next time.